I'm Mikhail Chester, an assistant professor in civil, environmental, and sustainability engineering at Arizona State University. We often think about our infrastructure in very compartmentalized ways. There's a water infrastructure, there's an electricity infrastructure, there's a transportation infrastructure, there's a building infrastructure, there's an energy infrastructure, so on. The reality is that they are all interconnected, highly interconnected, and a shock in one can send shock waves through the others. And as we think about a constraint in, say, water availability in the future in Arizona, that's likely going to send shock waves through the electricity generating infrastructure, through the agricultural infrastructure, and so on. If you look at the United States as a whole, on average, about 4% of electricity in the United States is used to get water to you, to get water to people and to agriculture. In Arizona, it turns out that number is about twice as large, about 8%. So 8% of electricity generation goes into the conveyance of water, just getting water to you. Once you get it to the home or to the agricultural facility, then it needs to then you may add more energy to the system. You may heat the water. You may pump the water even further if it's a tall building. So there's additional energy involved there. You may clean it in a dishwasher. So these two systems are inextricably linked. There's no doubt about it. We could think about water conservation strategies, whether that be landscaping, whether that be in-building efforts. We could think about conservation efforts on the electricity side, whether that's switching to lower water consumption electricity generation facilities like solar or other electricity generation options. So there's a whole menu of options available to us. The question is, how much do each of these cost for the benefits that we get from them, and how is our infrastructure managed? And do our infrastructure managers have this sort of anticipatory vision such that they see these potential shocks coming 20, 30 years from now and decide to act sooner rather than later?